Hi, Jeremy. It's me, Sniper. When I found out your birthday was coming, I knew that I wanted to help you celebrate. So I asked our pal, Tina, to find me something really unique. Listen, this is just for you. Look, I'm very excited about having this opportunity to help you celebrate your birthday with this song. But let's be very clear about this. Tomorrow, it's back to being all about you spoiling me. I wish you happy birthday. This is from my heart, you see. My trusted and my bestest friend, you mean so much to me. So in this tune I sing to you, from my heart I say, you will always have all my love, enjoy your happiest of happy birthdays.